Welcome and welcome back to my channel, everyone, and thank you to all my new subscribers. Today I have a box opening from my family. It's full of goodies for my birthday and from Christmas and whatever, and my sister made me promise to do a box opening, so I'm gonna do just that. Tons and tons of tissue paper. Yes, I could use the tissue paper. Some molds. It all started out with me asking one of my sisters if she had any molds for Easter or Valentine's that she wouldn't mind me borrowing or keeping. And then it turned into this big huge box. So thank you very much. Okay. Are these maple leaves or are these the other kind of leaves? I don't know, but I can certainly make some cool keychains with those. More heart molds. And wait, they're both matte. And that's okay. I like that. Alright, let's get to it. Ooh! Sorry for the noise, guys, but it's a dice maker. Oh, I've been wanting to get these for a while. Thank you. Okay. Do I have any of these? I have a big one that makes the digital hearts. I like digital hearts, which is the reason why I asked. Okay. Okay, we'll get this out of the way because this is medication that I needed. Get that out of the way. I'm stuck for a while. Joan Jett Black. I love it. I love it. It's sparkly too. Alright. Another mold. Oh, this is a dish soap mold. I think. Is it? What does it say? That's all it says. Soap holder. Yeah, it is a soap holder. Little tiny stars. Ooh, I love those. I love those. Yes, I've been meaning to make this for a long time. Never had the money. What kind of mold is this? Sorry for the noise. This stuff hurts my ears. Oh! Ah, okay. It's a split cut pourer. I like it. I like it. Tons and tons of glitter. I love it. Like glitter. What's this? Oh, these are dried goods. Dried flowers and stuff. Ooh. I have to put you back in that bag so I don't lose you. Oh. Where's roll-on lip gloss? It has amethyst in it. Oh, that's so cool. Thank you. I forgot what this is. I forgot. Somebody's gonna have to tell me. I love the miniature fairy bottles. I practically collect them. I don't have a means or use to fill them yet. Thank you. Paxi bending. Woohoo. 24-hour Ooh. Yeah, I could usually... I could definitely add up to that. What is this? He created with those... I don't know what this is. Oh! Ooh. It's a mushroom! It's a mushroom mold! Yes! Definitely on my list as well. I'll do the presents last. Powdered soap. You know what? I'm gonna do these last. What's this? Oh, gloves, rubber gloves. I'm gonna do these last and do a separate one. And which one's this? What is this? Uh-oh, I don't know how to... Earthen jar. Okay, I'm gonna have to figure out how to open this. Because I don't know what this looks like at all. I'm gonna be busy. Did you hear that? Either somebody shot a rifle or one of the trees just fell. Could always use an extra jar. Love it. And what's this? This is from, I don't know, one of my nieces and nephews. That deep breath, big sips. Definitely. Thank you very much. I don't know who sent that one to me. Just said Auntie. Ely horoscope. Lucky dates. Featuring lucky dates, daily horoscope, love matches, lucky numbers, and more. Oh, I like that idea. That's for last year. But that's okay. That's all good. Oh. On my niece, Shay. Alright. I forgot I got a gift from her before, but let's do this. I will take the chocolates. Thank you. It's a beautiful box. Probably give the box to one of my sisters. She likes purple. I'll keep the chocolate soap. Who's this from? Nobody put the name on. I don't know. Diamond painting. I can figure out. Oh, wait. I got this one. That's okay. I can redo it because I got better diamonds for it now. Thank you very much. Nothing like making old ones better. Let's see. What? Okay. So one of my sisters makes soaps. So I'll probably add this to also a different video. Powder soap. What does it smell like? It smells like regular soap. Same thing. Same thing. More soaps that she makes. Olive oil, coconut oil, water, sodium hydroxide, and what? Mica colorant. Okay. Did she make this? It's a little puzzle soap. That is so cute. That's so cute. Aww. Is that just the neatest thing? See, she can make this stuff, but I can't. She's good at this, not me. I'm like, not even close. Does this have a smell to it? Yes and no. But it's pretty. Okay. That's pretty much it. Thank you all so much for the gifts. One of these days I'm going to be able to reciprocate. But this is it. This is it, guys. Yeah, this is just too much to put all back, but thank you all for watching. Thank you all for joining me in this awesome time of unboxing. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit that bell for the next video. Thank you very much. Have a great day. Namaste.